How to sign into Alibaba AI Qwen 2.5 Max. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now, in the search box, type in Qwen 2.5 AI login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one, chat.qwenlm.ai. You'll be directed to the login page. Now provide your credentials and log into your account. If you have used Google or the GitHub account to log in, you can just click on it. With that, you will be logged in, or else you can directly enter your credential, email address, and the password. In case you have forgotten the password, you can click on this option to recover it. After you provide these details, click on Login, and with that, you will be logged into your account. Once logged in, now you can get access to these features of Qwen. So this is how you can easily sign into Alibaba AI Qwen 2.5 Max. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.